I'm excited about this weather, though.
Yeah, how hot are we going to get?
Well, today is good. Today is, I think, reasonably warm. We're going to be mostly mid-70s to low 80s. Now, that's a nice summertime temperature. We're going to push up into the mid to upper 80s and maybe touch 90 in the hottest spots. And again, that's going to be down in the South Sound. I mean, if we were getting these temperatures as we head towards, middle of July into August, not that big a deal. We would have been used to them and stuff. But I mean, a lot of people, last night I had to go. I've got a little unit that I have put in our bedroom so I can go to bed in the middle of the afternoon. I had to pull that out yesterday because even yesterday's temperatures, I mean, we only had 75 at SeaTac, and both my wife and I were going, well, it's getting pretty hot out there. I looked at our phones, whoa, it's not really that hot. So we're basically heat wimps around here. But by the same token, we end up wearing shorts when it's 40s and 50s. So we're just at the other end of the spectrum, people in a hotter climate. Shorter term, though, looking out of that skyline of Seattle, you can see blue sky and not a cloud in the sky this morning. Checking those water temperatures, they are cold. Pulled these this morning. Puget Sound still sitting at 52 degrees. Lake Washington at 58. Lake Sammamish at 62. Pretty representative of what we're seeing in the lakes. And that might surprise you. If you were going into these in August, they would be considerably warmer. It's just not really comfortable temperatures. The rivers, though, are really frigid because we're right in the middle of snowmelt season. So bottom line, all this talk is just be really careful and wear a life jacket if you're on or in the water. So I think that's really good advice. Pollen count, Northwest Asthma and Allergy popped up into the moderate range for trees, and we're still just seeing the start of the grass season getting underway. Temperatures this morning, mid-40s to low 50s, and the good news over the weekend is it looks like during the overnight hours, because the nights are still fairly long, we will be looking for temperatures to drop back into the 50s most places, so you get a chance to cool off your house before the next warm day comes along. Take a look at the satellite image. Big area high pressure extending all the way up into parts of Canada. That's going to be sitting with us through the weekend. So for today, look for sunshine. Temperatures reasonably warm today. We'll be in the mid-70s to the low 80s most spots. Tomorrow we'll be getting to the low to mid-80s, maybe some upper 80s down in the South Sound. Mid to upper 80s to near 90 degrees on Sunday. That's probably our warmest day. We'll only cool a degree or two as we head into Monday, but there will be a chance of an afternoon shower or thunderstorm. As we head into Tuesday, we'll see temperatures drop back to the upper 70s and low 80s with an afternoon thunderstorm, and then looks like we'll stay in that range all the way through Wednesday. Again, with first alert weather day tomorrow afternoon through Monday afternoon because of the abrupt heating near record highs and those cold temperatures. And primarily the Central Sound southward is where we're concerned, and we'll have more on this coming up in just a little bit.